Let's dive into the fascinating world of museums and its Japanese expression, 博物館. This word is commonly heard when talking about places filled with artifacts, art, and historical displays. Whether you're browsing exhibits or discussing a field trip, understanding the usage of 博物館 is key. The word 博物館 means a museum in English, a place where various objects of historical, scientific, or artistic interest are stored and exhibited for public viewing. The first kanji means wide, extensive, and also learned or scholarly. In hakase, the idea of deep learning and expertise comes from this kanji, and in hakurankai, it gives the sense of wide scope or large exhibition. The second kanji means thing or object, and can also refer to living creatures. In tabemono, it marks something you can eat, a tangible thing, and in doubutsu, it helps form the word for living creatures or animals. The third kanji means a large building or hall used for public purposes. In toshokan, it names a building that houses books for public use, and in ryokan, it indicates a building where guests stay, a traditional inn. The paintings on display at the museum are beautiful. 博物館で展示する絵はきれいです。博物館で展示する絵はきれいです。I will go to the museum on Sunday. 日曜日に博物館に行きます。日曜日に博物館に行きます。The children visit the museum. 子供たちは博物館を訪れます。子供たちは博物館を訪れます。The activities of the museum are interesting. 博物館の活動は面白いです。博物館の活動は面白いです。The most common synonym of the word 博物館 is 資料館, which refers to a resource center or archive. While both places contain valuable collections, 博物館 is more focused on public exhibitions, whereas 資料館 often emphasizes documentation and research. The most common antonym of the word 博物館 is 現実, which means reality or the real world, while 博物館 refers to curated artifacts that interpret or replicate history and culture. 現実 denotes the everyday, tangible experiences of life outside curated settings.